HobbyGamesTV. Hey, welcome to HobbyKids TV. Today we're going to show you how to use the Angry Birds Star Wars Telepods from the Jenga game. So look and watch.
Because we have to finish off the levels. Ooh. Oh, there's the video. I know how this guy works. Want to see?
Yeah.
like the same as Luke Skywalker. Should we push that?
Yeah. Ooh, very cool. That's awesome. Whoa.
This one's gonna be cool. You might need to do it with this hand. It's perfect. Woo!
Should it be Mommy's turn now?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, not quite. Alright, let's try that again. This time go a little bit higher. Yeah! We broke a little bit of glass. But the pig's still in there. Oh no! Don't you hate when that happens? I went the wrong way. Oh. I failed. Yeah.
Ooh, should we do that?
Yeah, let's do that.
Yeah, let's do it for you. You have to follow the circles.
Okay, here I go.
Yeah, wait. Go, push it. Oh, should we try again?
Yeah. What circles?
Those circles.
Oh, I have to push them?
No.
What do I do?
Just slingshot it right now.
Uh-huh. Oh, whoa!
Follow the circles. The circles will help you know.
Okay.
I think you might need to do it the way right. Go.
Whoa!
Mine,
That was fun.
Yeah. Oops.
Okay, do I do it again? Oh, what happened? Oh, wow! Oh my goodness!
What did that say?
That's awesome! High score! High five. Alright.
Oops. Yeah. Want to do this?
Mm-hmm.
You can do your power in any level. Now go. Push. Oh.
Oh, I pushed too soon. Oh, yay! I got some guys knocked out though. I get another guy. Ooh! Wow! Hey, I got 1 star. Woohoo! I'll take it. Thanks for watching, guys, and be sure to click here to watch us play the actual game. We'll build it and play it. So fun.